So let's take your watch from this to this. So I'm gonna talk just just to let you know that I didn't turn the volume down or anything like that. To do this, we need a precision screwdriver. They usually come in a pack with different sizes. You can get it from anywhere. I got mine from Walmart for around $5. And we just need a piece of paper. So I'm using just some regular printer paper, but you can use notebook paper, but just don't use anything soft like a paper towel. All we're doing is cutting a small piece to go inside the watch. We're going to put it inside the watch to kind of mute the watch. And of course, we're going to use the precision screwdriver to unscrew it, slide the paper in, screw it back. That's it. It's that simple. So I'm going to go ahead and unscrew mine. All right, so mine is unscrewed. So we just got to gently take off this back because you may have a small little thin rubber piece. Where's mine? You see mine's there. This is basically protecting it, so we have to make sure that stays in place. It's better to put it on the watch itself and don't try to put it on the back that we took off because it's harder to do it that way. It's easier if we just keep it on the watch itself. But besides that, don't worry about touching anything inside the watch. Just put your piece of paper in place and just go ahead and start putting your screws back in and tighten it back up. Once you get one screw in, if you like to, go ahead and test it out. Everything's back in place, and just to let you know that's not a trick and the audio is coming from one source. Let's try it out. All right, but that's all I got for you. If this helped you out, let us know down below in the comment section. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.